put up a cell for my 8-inch job, and this is the way it goes. So here I printed it out full scale. Actually had to go to Staples, pay like 30 cents for 2 sheets, 8.5 by 11. But here you can see the wood moving plate for the cell. And then I cut the 3/4 inch tubing, and where the collimation bolt is, that's where I screwed it down to the wood. Now for the sides, I have 1/8 inch steel, 3/4 by 1/8 inch. And when I drew it out, it's a little bit fatter, so I put a blocking in here, so when I clamp it to weld it, I'll actually have to fill these gaps because I want it to be close to the wood of the inner. Because if I actually went up to it, I'd have a bigger gap. You can't really see, but I'd probably have that much space between the wood and this frame, so I blocked it out, and then I'll stitch the weld across here. But the real important weld is going up the side. And now I got all 4 beads like done. I could remove this and do the other side. Let me see if it's hot. Ah, it's hot. How's the puddle? Is it good? Gotta get that puddle. I can feel the heat off of this glove. Thank you. Just to be a little bit tighter up top. See, I got some burn through at the end, but it still that'll hold pretty well. And that's the end of the run too. That's a little bit burned through. I had more burn through here, and I went over it again. I should have cleaned it down, but it'll hold. Let's look at this way, the other side. It's not bad. Clean it down some. Not bad. At the end of the run is a little bit burned through. On the tube side, same thing with this one. Now with the frame removed, I spray mounted the paper onto the 3/4 inch plywood, and I could still use this to cut out the frame, and I'll make rocker bars that sit in here, and wiffle trees I could cut out right here, and then put like little wheels right here, little wheel right here for the 8-inch mirror, and a hole in the back. So I got the collimation bolts already lined up for the frame, and cut a hole if I wanted to for, you need the airflow, but you could mount a fan there too. So it's not bad. Shrinks a little. That's a good thing. Here's the mirror box that this all goes into. And this is the moment of truth to see if it fits. Now that I cleaned up some of the welds on the sides, because there's slag on the sides, you can see how it just slides right in.